Okay, vinyl siding painting in Vancouver. Now, vinyl siding in Vancouver is rare because it's a cheaper material, and with the price of housing here, and it people don't use it very often. However, this is a house built 40 years ago when houses were built cheaper and real estate was a lot cheaper. So this is vinyl siding. Now, if you do paint it, because you can paint it, you need to use vinyl safe paint. It's critical. So if you remember, there was a point in time when, if you left a record or a cassette in the sun, it would melt, it would warp because it heats up. Now, there are companies, Sherwin-Williams makes vinyl safe paint, and also Benjamin Moore makes vinyl safe paint. So whatever you do, when you're going to paint, if you do paint your vinyl siding, use vinyl safe paint. Otherwise, the siding itself will melt. So some of the main things that you're going to want to do is make sure that it's clean. That's pretty much all you need to do as far as the prep, unless there's any small repairs. So clean the surfaces and then paint it with vinyl safe paint. So if you're thinking of getting it done, you can check our pricing. You can reach out to us. We're happy to talk to you about the requirements. Thank you.